Barakadi part 2. What we have to learn from part 1? We have to learn the symbols of vowels and Barakadi, then different types of ra and semi-consonants. Okay children, do you remember that? What is the Barakadi? First we have to learn the symbols. This is a no symbol. This is the a, e, u, ri, ye. This is the symbol of ye. This is I, and this is o, au, and aha. Right children? Okay, we have to add the symbols for all the consonants. That is Barakadi. Okay? Shall we see one for example? Ka letter. We have to add the symbols. Okay? No matra for a. So ka. Then next ka. We have to add it. Then ki. We can add. Then next ku for the left side and ku right side and ri. This will add to the consonant the sound of ru. So kru, right? The next one a. The symbol of a. Ka letter plus a key symbol. What is this? K. The next I key symbol. I. Ka. I key matra symbol. So what is this? Kai. Then ka plus o key symbol. What is this? Ho. The next au key symbol. What is this? Cow. The next key symbol. This is called come. The next aha key symbol. This is called kaha. Once again, ka, ka, ki, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Okay children, this is the Barakadi. Then next, different types of ra and semi-consonants. Shall we see the bookwork? Today we have a bookwork children. But already we have finished the classwork also, right? Shall we see?
Okay children, take your book, the page number 43. See, swear or Barakadi, vowels and Barakadi. Okay, the first one, swear or unke chinna, vowels and their symbols. What is this? Swear. A, I, u, ri, ye, I, o, au, aha. These are all the symbols of vowels. Right children, see, a have no symbol. This is a key symbol. This is e, u, ri key symbol. A, I, o, au, an, aha. The extra letter. Okay, Chandra Bindu. Okay children. The next Barakadi. Shall we read this? Ka, ka, ki, ku, khu, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kah. The next kha, kha, ki, ki, khu, khu, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kah. Next letter g, g, gha, gi, ghi, gu, gu, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gah. Next. Okay children, all the letters are like this, right? Okay, you also try to read the next. Shall we go to the next? What is this? Samyukt Vyanjan, joint consonants. What are that? Iksha, tra, gya, sra. What is that? Ksha, tra, gya, sra. Shall we see? Look, understand and read. देखिए, समझिए और पढ़िए. Okay, what is this? Ka plus iksha plus aki symbol equal to, what is this? Kaksha. What is the meaning of kaksha? Class. Right? The next, pa plus tra equal to patra. Patra, letter. Right? The next, you also try to read this children. Very useful to read this. Okay? Gya plus a ki symbol plus na plus e ki symbol equal to, what is this? Gyani. Gyani. Gyani means wise man. Okay. The next, sra plus ma equal to sram. Sram. What is that meaning? Labor. The workman. Labor. Okay, right children, some words are here. Shall we read this? You also follow me. Read. What are the letters? Ksha, tra, gya, sra. Okay. We have to see the words with these letters. How to read? Ksha, na, kshan. Ksha, ma, kshama. Kshetra, kshetra. Akshara, akshar. How to read? Akshara, akshar. Pariksha, pariksha. Pariksha, pariksha. Okay, the next itra letter. Mitra, mitra. Mitra, mitra. Putra, putra. Putra, putra. Chitra, chitra. Chitra, chitra. Trikona, trikon. Trikona, trikon. Trishula, trishul. Trishula, trishul. Right? The next, Gya, gyana, gyan. Gyana, न ज्ञान ज्ञा था ज्ञाता यज्ञ यज्ञ आज्ञा आज्ञा अज्ञान 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 अज्ञान. The next letter Shra, the last letter. Shra ma Shram Shra ma Shram Shra mi kha Shramik Shra mi kha Shramik Vi Shra ma Vishram Vi Shra ma Vishram Mi Shra na Misran Mi Shra na Misran Shra ma Ashram Shra ma Ashram. Okay children, you also try to read these words. Okay, shall we go to the next place? Next page. Read this too. Shall we read? Very simple. Mitra आओ मित्र आओ मिलकर त्रिकोण का चित्र बनाएं मिलकर त्रिकोण का चित्र बनाएं. See Chandrabindu. Okay, how to pronounce this? Banayen. Banayen. Next, परीक्षा पास आ गई. परीक्षा पास आ गई. दिन भर परिश्रम करो. दिन भर परिश्रम करो. आज्ञा का पालन करो. आज्ञा का पालन करो. फिर आश्रम चलो. फिर आश्रम चलो. Once again, मित्र आओ मिलकर त्रिकोण का चित्र बनाएं. परीक्षा पास आ गई. दिन भर परिश्रम करो. आज्ञा का पालन करो. फिर आश्रम चलो. Right? The lesson over. The exercises. Shall we do these exercises? Okay children, what is this first one? Maukik, oral. So what are the words? Already we see these words. Jnani, Putra, Shram, Ajna, Ashram. Okay. Okay, the next Roman letter, the first. चित्रों को देखकर उनके नाम से मिलाइए. Look at the pictures and match them with their names. Shall we match? Okay, what are the pictures here? Letter, labour, Trisul and this wise man. Okay, what are the words? Read. Jnani. Where is that picture? Jnani means wise man. Okay, shall we match? Okay. The next Patra. Patra means letter. Where is that? S. Next one Trishul. Where is that? S. Trishul. The last one Shramik. Labor. What is the word? Shramik. Yes, finished. The next one is also very simple. Dekhkar likhiye. Look and write. We have to write the same word for practice. Understand? These letters are some difficulty, no? So only we have the practice for this. Okay. Shall we write? What is that? A Akshara. What is this? Akshar. You also write here and here. Okay. The next letter, Trikon. How to write? Like this. And the symbol. What is this? Ka, and this is ko. Na. Trikon. Trikon. You also write these 2 dashes. Okay. You have to finish 3 lines. 3 times you have to write. Okay. Misran. What is this? Misran. Mi. Sra. Na. Misran. Okay. The last word, Pariksha. How to write? First you have to write like this and 1 line, then the top of the line. Like this. Okay. Okay, right children, you also finish this writing practice. Okay. Over. Are you clear for this lesson? Okay. Now, shall we go to the next lesson? Okay, children. Next one. Samyuktakshar or Dvitva Vyanjan. What is that? Combined consonants. Combined consonants means, see, जब 2 अक्षरों को एक साथ जोड़कर लिखा जाता है तो उन्हें संयुक्ताक्षर कहते हैं. इस क्रम में एक व्यंजन आधा होकर दूसरे व्यंजन से जुड़ जाता है. What is the meaning? When two letters are joined together, they are called combined letters. The first consonant is cut half and joined with the second consonant. Right, children? Clear? Yes. For example, ik. What is this? Ik plus th equal to th. 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 Right? It plus th is equal to th. What is this? Th. Right. Now, look and understand the read. Ba plus E की मात्रा symbol plus ill. What is this? This is the semi-consonant ill plus la. Understand? This is the half letter of this letter. So this is semi-consonant. This is la. For the pronunciation of this letter, ill, right? Plus E ki matra symbol. So we have to add this B, ill, li, billy. Billy means cat. Now you understand, children? Okay, the next one, G plus in. What is this? This is na. This is the half letter of na, so this is called by in. In plus na plus a ki matra symbol. So we have to add gha, in, na, ganna. Ganna means sugar cane. Right? Okay. The next one, ip. What is this? Ip plus ya plus a की मात्रा symbol plus ja. Now we have to add ya ij ja pyaj. What is this? We have here like this, but this add to the word like this only. So ib. We have to write. This is also right. Okay, pyaj. Pyaj means onion. Clear, children? Okay, the next. Some words are here for semi-consonant. Okay. Ba, ich, cha, bacha. What is this? Bacha. Ka, ich, cha, kacha. Pa, ik, ka, pakka. Ku, it, ta, kutta. A, ib, ba, abba. Ni, tha, il, la, nitalla. Bi, il, li, billi. Na, in, ha, nanha. Bhu, id, da, buddha. Vi, id, ya, vidya. Cha, im, ma, cha, chammach. Ra, is, si, rasi. Cha, ik, ki, chakki. Ba, dha, ik, ka, na, dakkan. Pa, it, tha, la, pattal. Right, children, clear? See, some letters are the same consonant, semi-consonants. Here, this different letter and this different semi-consonant also will come. Okay? Okay, right, children? Be clear? Okay. Read this too. Chunnu or munnu. See, inna. Chunnu or munnu do vaite. Ve bazar dhaye. Vahan. See, Chandrabindu. Vahan se प्याज, टमाटर और आलू लाए। मम्मी शाम को लड्डू लाई। चुन्नू और मुन्नू ने मिलकर लड्डू खाए। क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? सी, चुन्नू, मुन्नू, प या प्याज, मम्मी मम्मी, इड ढू लड्डू, इन नु नु, इन नु मुन्नू, इड ढू लड्डू. Right? Clear, children? Okay. The next term, शब्दार्थ. नन्हा. नन्हा means छोटा सा small. नन्हा छोटा सा small. बच्चा शिशु baby. बच्चा शिशु baby. These are all the same meanings. So synonyms, right? पक्का मजबूत strong. मजबूत strong. The next, mummy, ma. Mummy, ma, also both mother. Right? Mummy, ma, mother. Gussa, krodh, anger. Gussa, krodh, anger. Mitra, dost, friend. Mitra, dost, friend. Right, children? Nanha, chota sa, bachcha, shishu, pakka, मजबूत मम्मी माँ गुस्सा क्रोध मित्र दोस्त right okay children now the exercises will start पढ़कर बताइए read and tell what is the word we have to seen already what is this बच्चा कुत्ता विद्या चम्मच पक्का कुत्ता विद्या चम्मच right okay the next roman letter is चित्रों को उनके राम से मिलाइए match the pictures with their names shall we match the pictures with the names right what is this read this Ma, ik, ki, maki. Maki means housefly. Okay. Next, chitti. Chi, it, ti. Chitti, letter. Patra, we see in the last lesson. Patra, chitti, both also letter, right? The next, bha is ta. Bhasta. Basta means bag. Magar mach. Okay children, once again we recall this. Makki, housefly. Chitti, letter. Basta, bag, school bag. Magar mach, crocodile. Sabji, vegetables. Clear? Okay, you have to match it. The next one, a very interesting Roman letter is चित्रों के देखकर अनेक नाम उनके नाम लिखिए. Look at the pictures and write their names. What are the pictures here? See, what is this picture? Yes, cat. Cat. What is that? Billy. How to write? Yes, B. Billy, cat. This one, kutta, dog. Shall we write? Ku, it, ta, kutta. Okay. What is this picture? Yes, bachcha, children, child. Ba, ich, cha, bachcha, child. What is this? This onion, pyaj, p, ya, ij, pyaj. Okay, right? Clear? Billy, kutta, bachcha, pyaj. Okay. The next Roman letter is अक्षरों को मिलाकर लिखिए. Add the letters. Just we have to remove the symbols, plus symbol, and add the letters. See the for example, kha, ich, cha, khacha. Okay. Shall we write this? How to write? Ma, ich, cha, ra, machar. Okay. The next one, la, id, do, laddu. The next, cha, ik, ki, chakki. Last one is ba, B, actually this is the E key symbol. B, Il, Li, Billy, cat, right? Okay, you also write it children. The next one is the अर्थ रा वाले शब्द रेफ. Actually, words with the half ra. This is the symbol of half ra sound. Shall we see that? किसी अक्षर के ऊपर the symbol, this is का अर्थ रा लगाने से अक्षर से पहले आधे रा का उच्चारण ध्वनि के साथ होता है. इसे उच्चारण के बाद वाले अक्षर में लगाया जाता है. Clear children? Once again, when the symbol is added above a letter, the letter is pronounced with the half ra sound. It is added after the pronounced letter. Okay, clear? Now for example, the symbol plus ya is equal to, how to join this? The above the letter for this symbol irya. What is this? Ir. We have to give the pronunciation for the symbol first and the letter. Okay, irya. The next one, the symbol plus pa is equal to like this, ir pa. Clear children? Yes. देखिए, समझिए और पढ़िए. Look, understand and read. What is this? स plus ऊ की मात्रा symbol plus ir plus ya. How to mix this word? Just we have to remove the plus symbols. Add this to first su. Ir you have to put in on the last letter. So su ir ya, surya. How to pronounce? Su ir ya, surya. Surya na sun. Okay, the next one, pa, the symbol va tha. Shall we add this? Pa ir va it, parvat. Okay, clear children? Pa ir va it, parvat, mountain. The last, ma plus a की मात्रा symbol plus ir plus ga equal to ma ir gha, marg. Marg means road. Marg, ma ir gha, marg. Right? Clear? Okay. Just we have to read some words. Kha, how to read? Kha ir ma, karma. Dha ir ma, dharma. Pa ir va, parva. A ir ya, arya. Ka ir is, karz. Gha ir ja, in, garjan. A ir pa, in, arpan. Du ir pa, in, durpan. A ir ji, id, arjit. Ni ir dha na, nirdhan. Ka ir ya, karya. Na ir sa, nars. Okay, karma, dharma, parva, arya, karz, garjan, arpan, durjan, arjit, nirdhan, karya, nars. Right? Read this too. Okay, कर्म करते हुए धर्म के मार्ग पर चलना चाहिए. सबको सूर्य निकलने से पूर्व उठना चाहिए. हमारे देश में धनी और निर्धन सब बराबर हैं. अर्जुन और कर्ण दोनों धनुर्धर थे. Okay, clear children? The next one, Nirdhan. The meanings. शब्दार्थ निर्धन, गरीब, पुआ, सूर्य, सूरज, सन, पर्व, त्योहार, फेस्टिवल, मार्ग, रास्ता, रोड. Clear children? निर्धन, गरीब, सूर्य, सूरज, पर्व, फेस्टिवल, त्योहार, मार्ग, रास्ता, रोड. The next, अभ्यास, exercises. Read and tell. कर्म, धर्म, निर्धन, दुर्जन, अर्जुन. Okay, clear? Okay, the next, हमें कब उठना चाहिए? Where is the answer? Yes, here. This is the first question answer. सबको सूर्य निकलने से पूर्व उठना चाहिए. The next question, हमारे देश में कौन बराबर है? The answer is, हमारे देश में धनी और निर्धन सब बराबर हैं. Okay, right? Clear children? The next one, the symbol का प्रयोग करके शब्द बनाइए. Make words by using the symbol. Okay, shall we use that symbol? Where we have to put? Yes, Surya, Surya. Purva, Purva. Varsha, Varsha. Arya, Arya. Marga, Marga. Karna, Karna. Right? Okay. You have to write. Then next, look at the pictures and write their names. What is this picture? Yes, Parvat. Pa-ir-va-tha. Parvat. Okay. This one, Surya. Su-ir-ya. Surya. Next one is Dharpan. Ir-pa-in. Dharpan. This one is Sadak. And one more word is Sadak, also road. Marg, also road. Ma-ir-g. Marg. Okay, right? Okay, children. Okay, the next lesson, Paden Ra. The symbols for this Ra. किसी अक्षर के नीचे पदेन र, the symbols लगाने से अक्षर का उच्चारण इर ध्वनि के साथ होता है. When the symbol is added below a letter, the letter is pronounced with the Ra sound. Right? For example, clear children? For example, Ka plus the symbol is equal to Kra. Where it is joined here? The vertical line, the standing line, no? So we have to join this. Now the letter is Kra. This is Ra sound and this is Ka. Ka, Ra, Kra. Right? Ta plus the symbol is equal to, we have to add the symbol down of the letter. Okay, this letter not have a vertical, the standing line, no. So we have to add the symbol down of the letter, right? So ta, ra, tra. Clear? Good. The next one, ba plus the symbol plus sh. So bra, sh, brush. Clear children? Okay. Ta plus the symbol of Ra plus Ka. So ta, tra, ka. Truck. Okay. The next, read. Kram, Sram, Brahm. Prem. Drone. Dhruv. Drupad. Brahman. Ugra. Tram. Drum. Driver. Clear? Once again. Kram. Shram. Brahm. Prem. Drone. Dhruv. Drupad. Brahman. Ugra. Tram. Drum. Driver. Okay. The next one, read this too. हमें आपस में प्रेम से रहना चाहिए. प्रातः भ्रमण करने से मन ताजा रहता है. हमने ग्राम में हरे भरे खेत देखे. मुझे ड्रम बाजा अच्छा लगता है. Right? The next synonyms, the shabdarth. Gram, village. Gaon, the same word for gram. Gaon. Prem, pyar, love. Prantha, subah, morning. Khet, kshetra, farm. Gram, gaon, prem, pyar, प्रांत, सुबह, खेत, क्षेत्र. Right? Clear? Okay. Read this too. Gram, Brahman, train, driver, driver. Okay. The next one. चित्रों को देखकर उनके नाम लिखिए. What is this picture? Is truck. Ta. The symbol of ra down, no? Truck. The next picture is drum. 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 Okay. The next, chakkar. Listen, correct the given words. We have to correct these words. See, for example, cha, ka, ra. You have to add the symbol of ra for this word. So, cha, ka, kra. Chakra. Correct? You have to write. Okay, you have to write like this, children. Okay, what is this? Pran. Then Drupad, Brahman, where we have to add here only, right? Then Vajra, Prem, right? Finish it, children. Okay, our class is over. We will meet on the next video. Bye.